Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we bring you the most detailed and exciting motorcycle reviews from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's as legendary as it is bold, the 2025 Honda Valkyrie. A bike that rewrites the rules of what a cruiser can be. With raw power, refined engineering, and unmistakable style, this modern Valkyrie is here to make a statement on every road it touches. So settle in, because we're about to explore every curve, every feature, and every bit of muscle packed into this incredible machine. The legend is back, bolder, bigger, and more breathtaking than ever. The 2025 Honda Valkyrie storms onto the scene with a presence that's impossible to ignore. For riders who crave power wrapped in sculpted metal, this machine delivers an uncompromising blend of muscle, refinement, and unmistakable style. Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where today, we take an in-depth look at this modern titan of the road, the all-new Honda Valkyrie. When Honda first introduced the Valkyrie in the late 90s, it changed the game for power cruisers. Back then, it was known for blending the heart of a touring bike with the soul of a custom cruiser. Fast forward to 2025, and this newest iteration carries that same DNA but evolves it for a new generation. Just one look and you'll know this bike doesn't just roll down the road. It commands it. Let's start with what beats at the core of this beast. The 2025 Valkyrie is powered by a monstrous 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, the same basic platform found in Honda's world-famous Goldwing. But here, it's tuned for roar, more immediate power delivery. The engine is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and perfectly balanced for smoothness. Twist the throttle, and the Valkyrie leaps forward with effortless authority. The 6 horizontally opposed cylinders work in harmony to deliver a wave of torque that seems endless. It pumps out around 125 horsepower with a staggering 130 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful cruisers on the market today. Performance is not just about brute force, though. Honda has engineered the Valkyrie to handle like a much smaller machine. The aluminum twin-spar frame is remarkably rigid yet lightweight, giving this 800-pound bike a level of agility that surprises everyone who rides it. The low center of gravity, thanks to that flat-six engine configuration, means it stays planted through corners, inviting riders to push harder and lean deeper than they might on traditional cruisers. Up front, a 45mm telescopic fork with 4.5 inches of travel soaks up road imperfections with ease, while the rear sports Honda's ProLink monoshock setup, offering adjustable preload to fine-tune the ride for solo or two-up cruising. Braking duties are handled by dual 310mm discs with radial-mounted 4-piston calipers up front and a single 316mm disc in the rear, offering superb stopping power and confidence, even at highway speeds. Of course, ABS comes standard, as does Honda's latest traction control system, which provides an extra layer of safety in tricky conditions. The Valkyrie also gets Honda's latest ride-by-wire throttle system, which opens up ride mode options for the rider. You've got 3 selectable modes, Tour, Sport, and Rain, each tweaking the throttle response and traction control sensitivity to suit the moment. Whether you're blasting down an open highway or picking your way through rain-slick streets, the Valkyrie is ready. But what really sets this bike apart is its design. This is a cruiser that screams presence. It stands out with a low, wide stance and bold, sculpted bodywork that feels simultaneously futuristic and timeless. The signature LED headlight is a striking piece of design, with a sleek ring daytime running light framing a powerful central beam. Every surface of the Valkyrie feels purposeful, from the massive radiator shrouds to the short, muscular tail section. Even the exhaust, a dual 6x2 setup, has been tuned not only for performance but for an unforgettable sound. The low, throaty rumble at idle turns into an exhilarating howl as you climb through the revs. The 2025 Valkyrie is available in 3 colors, a deep metallic black, a bold crimson red, and an elegant pearl white, each one finished to Honda's usual impeccable standards. The level of fit and finish on this machine rivals anything on the road today. There are no exposed wires or half-baked details here. Every seam is tight, every weld perfect. This is craftsmanship in metal. Climb aboard, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends modern technology with traditional cues. The rider sits low, in a broad, supportive saddle, with the handlebars perfectly positioned for a relaxed yet commanding posture. The new TFT full-color display is crisp and easy to read, offering a wealth of information at a glance. You get everything from speed, touch, and gear position to fuel range, ambient temperature, and even a tire pressure monitoring system. The interface is intuitive, controlled by simple buttons on the left switchgear. Speaking of technology, the Valkyrie is packed with it. Full LED lighting, keyless ignition, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music, and a built-in USB-C charging port all come standard. The Honda smartphone voice control system allows riders to use voice commands to access calls, navigation, and music through a connected headset. It's a modern, connected riding experience, but one that never feels distracting or overly complicated. Comfort is key on a bike of this size, and Honda has clearly thought about the long haul. The wide seat is sculpted for all-day riding, with thick padding and a carefully designed shape that supports both rider and passenger. Foot pegs are positioned for comfort without sacrificing control. Wind protection is better than you might expect from a naked cruiser, thanks to the large tank and integrated deflectors that channel air away from the rider. For those looking to tour, Honda offers a range of factory accessories including a touring windscreen, saddlebags, and even heated grips. Fuel economy, for a bike of this power and size, is respectable. Expect around 35 to 38 miles per gallon under mixed riding. With a 6.1-gallon tank, that translates to a range of over 200 miles between fill-ups. Plenty for a weekend blast or even a cross-country trip. As for the price, the 2025 Honda Valkyrie starts at approximately $22,999 in the US market. That positions it competitively against other premium power cruisers from brands like Harley-Davidson and BMW. And when you factor in Honda's renowned reliability and build quality, it's easy to see the value on offer here. This is a bike that can be your daily rider, your weekend canyon carver, and your long-distance tourer without ever breaking a sweat. So, what is the unique magic of the 2025 Honda Valkyrie? It's the way it combines brute strength with effortless control. It's the seamless blend of modern technology with old-school muscle. It's the bold style that turns heads and the engineered precision that inspires confidence in every corner. It's a bike that makes no apologies for what it is, a heavyweight cruiser with performance to match its presence. Riders who climb aboard the Valkyrie don't just ride from point A to B. They command the road. They enjoy the visceral pleasure of that flat-six engine, the silky smooth handling, and the undeniable charisma of a machine that looks like nothing else on two wheels. For those who want a cruiser that's equal parts brawler and beauty, the Valkyrie delivers in spades. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Valkyrie. If you've enjoyed this review, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting bikes. Drop us a comment below, would you ride this beast? And if you've already had a chance to test one out, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.